Hey everyone, it's Olivia and welcome back to my channel. So today I don't really have anything planned or anything to do. So this is going to be something called random time and I can just do anything that I like. So maybe I'll make weird outfits in the shop. I might just pick random outfits for home. I might write silly stuff in people's guest book. And I might just make silly movies, silly art books and just do random stuff. Or do things in the chat or anything like that. So today I'm just going to be making some random outfits and just be writing in people's guest book. So, I don't know what outfits to do. I'm just going to make the funniest outfit that I can. So we're going to choose the worst clothes that I have, or the clothes that I don't like the best. So, let's choose something that I'm not too keen on. But if anybody's watching this and they give me the gift, I don't want to offend them. So, yeah. So if I choose your gift, most of these things I've bought. But if you have given them to me, then I'm sorry if I offend you. Okay, so I think my worst top is probably the one that I've got on, or the Bella and the Bulldog top, because those are the ones you get at the start, or the Bella and the Bulldog. It's kind of a rare, because you only got it at one certain point, but, yeah, it's kind of a rare, but I think that's the worst top that I have. So, yeah, now we're going to go on to pants, or leggings, or jeans, or whatever you call them. In America, you call them pants, in England, you call them bottoms. I am in England, so I call them bottoms. So yeah, we're going to choose the worst one. Now these are not too keen on them. How about, no, I think these are the worst. Yeah, these are the worst. I don't really have any others, these two are rares. So now we're going to pick the worst shoes. I think all of my shoes I like. Well, they're not very good. Yeah, all of my shoes I think I like. I might come across things that I don't like. I'm not too sure. I think that was the ones that I just didn't like. Just them. And them. I think I'll go for these then. Now I'm going to go for hair. Oh my god, I don't like this one at all. Sorry if I offended you. Because I know someone did give me this hair. But I don't like this or this either. This is not a rare. Many people say it's a rare, but it's actually not. That's how I thought it was a rare, so I made it look. And then I bought it, but I didn't know that it wasn't a rare. So I wasted a bit of my money, so do not buy it. It's not a rare. Well, you can buy it if you like, but I don't like it, so. Yeah, this is my worst hair. And then we're going to choose some of this, so you can't even see that, so there's no point putting it on. What about, I don't put this on. For Wales, and that on, and we're just making a horrible look, you know. And put the trunk on, and the bag. Yeah, I think that's it. But I'm going to copy and paste this. Then I'm going to get anyone like my new look. And then I'm going to save it. Look how beautiful I am. And then I'm so going to put this one on. Wait, oh yeah, I forgot I had that. Cat. I've got to put this great Savannah thing on. Okay, so now we're going to go into people's guest book and just write things, anything that you like. So, guest book. Hey. How are you doing? I'm good. How about you? So yeah, that is a brilliant thing to put in someone's art book. So nice. I want to put one in MSP Soy Chickens because I actually have him as a friend. See? Hi. Do you eat chicken? I love chicken. You like chicken wings? Hey, do you eat chicken wings? I love chicken wings. You eat chicken wings? Don't know if you find that weird. I find it weird. Yeah, I'm a loner. Yeah. Anna. I don't really know Anna actually. She's just someone that's my friend. I don't really talk to any of my friends unless it's if I'm saying hi, I'm asking for gifts, or they're asking for gifts. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put something in my friend's book. This girl is in my school, she's in my class, she's one of my best friends. So, hi, can we... Cause I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Hey Chelsea, wanna come for a ride? Cause I'm a Barbie girl. So yeah, you might think I'm a bit weird now. Whoops, because I am. Now let's go to the shop. No, let's make a weird beauty makeup facial thing. Doing that's cool, that. Weird, let's make, oh god, I can't even see my face now. Do we take it off or not? Do we? Yeah. We're not going to buy it, by the way, because then I'll just waste my money. You know, people say that Rare Week is coming tomorrow. No, don't, but if there is, I've actually set my alarm for 12 o'clock, like, in the night. I have school tomorrow, so Mum's going to be really angry, but... Oh, God's sake! Okay, here we go. Right. Let's do some cat eyes, and let's change the eye colour to pink. And let's change the eyebrows to green. Okay, eyeshadow. Eyeshadow. Don't know why it's feeling so laggy. Here we go. I used to love that one, but I don't like it at all now. What about this one? Let's change it to some funky colours. That's kind of weird. The eyebrows just is really weird. Let's be a cat. And the lips, you can be a vampire if you like. I'm going to make you a vampire. And the last thing is a skin colour. Oh god, that is perfect. Oh, yeah, let's make you an ogre. So yeah, that's my finished look. Don't you think it's beautiful? So yeah, that's what I'm going to do for random time today. I hope you guys like random time. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!